Hello guys, welcome to Max Math Games School of Olympiads. In this series, we will be bringing you questions from different mathematical competitions all over the world, and this one is from Croatia in the year 2005. So the question of the day is, find all the real solutions of x, y and z of the equation 4xyz minus x raised to the power 4 minus y raised to the power 4 minus z raised to the power 4 is equals to 1. Pause the video if you want to give this question a try and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. So the first thing that we should try to do in a question such as this is to convert this equation into the sum of perfect squares is equals to 0. So this should be the baseline on which this question needs to be solved. So now let us see how we are going to do this. So our equation is 4 into xyz minus x raised to the power 4 minus y raised to the power 4 minus z raised to the power 4 is equals to 1. Now the above equation reduces to x raised to the power 4 plus 1 plus y raised to the power 4 plus z raised to the power 4 minus 4 into x into y into z is equals to 0. So now let us try to make this quantity a perfect square, and for that we are going to subtract the quantity minus 2x square, and then again let us try to make this quantity as perfect square. So we will get y raised to power 4 plus z raised to the power 4 minus 2 into y square into z square, and then minus 4xyz, and when we have added this quantity minus 2x square, so we will write it here also, and this quantity minus 2 into y square into z square we will write here also. So this becomes equals to 0. Therefore this quantity will now become x square minus 1 whole square. This quantity will now become y square minus z square whole square, and then taking the minus 2 common from this equation we get plus 2 into x square plus y square z square minus 2 into x into y into z is equals to 0. So now we get x square minus 1 whole square plus y square minus z square whole square plus 2 into x minus y into z whole square is equals to 0. Now this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, and this is a perfect square. So the sum of perfect squares is equals to 0 implies all the quantities are equals to 0, and hence we get that x square minus 1 equals to 0, y square minus z square equals to 0, and x minus y into z equals to 0. So this will give us either x is equals to 1 or x is equals to minus of 1. From here we can get that either y is equals to z or y is equals to minus of z, and from here we get that x equals to y into z. Now combining the knowledge obtained from these three equations, we get different values of x, y, z, and the four values obtained are 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, and minus 1, minus 1, 1, and these are the four answers to our original question. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.